Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. An exciting paper hit the Hugging Face trending list just yesterday, published on May 19, 2026, targeting one of the biggest bottlenecks in modern artificial intelligence, how we train models to handle massive documents. While reinforcement learning with verifiable rewards, which means using automated software to programmatically check and score a model's answers, is highly effective for reasoning, adapting it to long contexts has been incredibly tough. This paper introduces a fully open-source post-training recipe called GoLongRL, capability-oriented long-context reinforcement learning with multitask alignment. By using a diverse new dataset, they boosted a 30 billion parameter model's long-context benchmark score from about 60% to 70%, outperforming leading closed-source datasets. We will dive into how they achieve this, and as we will see, their elegant method for balancing totally different task rewards is the most exciting part. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. On Hugging Face, you can download the 4 billion and 31 billion parameter models, along with training code and implementation examples to get you started. Figure 1 compares model performance across several long context benchmarks, which are standardized tests that evaluate how well an AI can comprehend massive documents. Looking at the rightmost average section, the red bar representing GoLongRL 30BA3B achieves an average score of 70%. This performance matches or exceeds much larger models. In the difficult MRCR reading comprehension task, this model even reaches 82%. Table 1 outlines the composition of the new dataset, which contains nearly 23,000 total samples. To train the model effectively, each task uses its own natural reward function, which ensures the training feedback is highly accurate. The most common tasks make up over 90% of the dataset, focusing on core skills like precise information retrieval. The remaining tasks target specialized capabilities, such as multi-table extraction using intersection over union, which measures structural overlap. Moving on. Figure 2 visualizes how these samples spread across document lengths. The left plot shows that core tasks cover a wide span of context sizes, measured in tokens, which are the basic text fragments models process. On the right, the bar chart reveals that most data points fall below 256,000 tokens. This concentration is deliberate because long context reasoning is most critical in that range. Figure 4 outlines the four-phase pipeline used to build this diverse dataset of nearly 23,000 samples. The process starts on the left with source corpus collection and task-oriented filtering to categorize documents. Moving to the middle section, long context sample construction processes both human-verified open-source files and generated synthetic samples. Finally, the right section highlights iterative dataset refinement, which screens for data overlaps and filters out errors to ensure the highest training quality. Table 3 highlights the final evaluation results across different model scales, showing how this capability-oriented dataset boosts performance. For the 4 billion parameter models, the version trained on the new dataset reaches an average score of 62%. This 9-point jump represents a massive improvement compared to the baseline model's 53%. Moving up to the 30 billion parameter scale, the model achieves nearly 70%, which puts it in direct competition with the elite flagship systems shown at the top. Figure 5 illustrates how task-level mean normalization, which adjusts different reward scales so no single task dominates training, stabilizes the learning process. Looking at the top row representing this new method, we see the 9 tasks tightly grouped within the shaded target band, yielding a coefficient of variation of just 0.18. By comparison, the traditional group relative policy optimization methods shown below have much wider spreads, with the bottom row reaching a coefficient of 0.54. Ultimately, this work proves that balancing diverse real-world task rewards is key to unlocking robust, long context reasoning in large language models without degrading their general abilities. That's all for now. Alex here from the AI Research Roundup. Catch you next time.